Hey loves, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and staying cozy and warm. For today's video, I have a Shein haul. I've been obsessed with shopping on Shein. I feel like their clothes are just on point right now. I can't stop browsing the site. It's really bad. Somebody please delete the app from my phone kind of thing. But yeah, guys, if you guys love fashion hauls as much as I do, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already. What are some of your favorite stores to shop at? I would love to know. I'm definitely a Shein, Boohoo, Amazon type of girl. I really want to try and get more into Misguided and Pretty Little Thing and Princess Polly and everything like that, but it's just not my vibe, if that makes sense. I don't know. I feel like the websites just make it hard for me to get into it. I also really want to do more Zara hauls. I love Zara, Aritzia, those type of stores. So let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. But today's haul is not too big. Just has a few little pieces that I thought were really cute for the winter time. Some transition pieces and everything like that. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get right into the haul. Alright everyone, so starting out with some accessories. I did pick up two little baby bags or whatever they're called. I think that they are so precious and so cute for just little photo shoots. I've been really liking doing little photo shoots in my front yard and stuff. So first thing I picked up was this cute little bag. How adorable is this? You can't even fit your phone in here, but I just think it's the most adorable thing. It has a little latch on the front so you can open it, and it's super secure, and it comes like this, and it has a little chain strap as well that you can attach to it, so if you want to do it cross body. And I just think it's so adorable. I know a lot of people won't think it's cute at all, but I loved the brown color. I'm really getting into brown, you guys. I don't know why, but brown is just speaking to me right now. So I just thought that this was so cute and really cute for a picture, or even one day when we're eventually allowed to go back out and do things, we can maybe one day, have access to the world. I thought that this would be so cute for a little photo or something, especially with all of my brown pieces that I bought and everything like that. So yeah, I'm trying to get these little things through here so I can show you guys the whole look. It's just so cute. How cute is that little baby bag? And I'll put it on for you guys so you can wear it like this. Oh, that's adorable. That is stinking so cute. So yeah, guys, I love this so much. It's just a little cute something for photos. Nothing too crazy or serious. I just wanted to pick that up. And then I also got one of those cute shoulder bags that everybody has been wearing on Instagram. I had to get one. You know, your girl had to do it. So this is what this looks like. It comes in a cute little bag. It's just a black little leather shoulder bag. I thought that it was really cute. I loved the gold hardware on it because I am such a gold gal. You probably would never catch me wearing silver jewelry, really, besides my Pandora ring. But isn't that so cute? Just a cute little shoulder bag for pictures and everything like that. I thought it was really cute, so went ahead and got that as well. I'm also wearing something that I got. This is just a Los Angeles t-shirt. It's super soft, super comfy. I currently don't have a bra on, so don't judge me, but it's really, really soft, really nice quality, and something great to just throw on. Super casual with some jeans, some denim shorts, even some leggings, and some cute sneakers. A1 outfit, if you ask me. Next, I have this cute top that I got. It has these open cage sleeves, which I thought were really, really cute, and I feel like it really just amps up a basic t-shirt. So it just has those open sleeves, and it's just a basic tee kind of style, nothing too crazy. It's just black. The material is really, really nice, and it's stretchy, so you can wear it with some jeans, even pop on a pair of heels for a night out with this bag. Hello. How cute would that outfit be? I also picked up this top. I got a lot of tops for videos and stuff because I feel like I was wearing a lot of the same thing. in videos. So I went ahead and got this top. It's just like a v-neck kind of cropped style top. It's a little bit tight. It has that ribbed pattern, so it sucks you in like all the right places, which I love. I thought this is super cute just to throw on. Pair of jeans, like I said, some cute heels, and then that cute brown black bag. Hello, a look. So I'm ready just for outside to open. I'm ready for, you know, this whole thing to be over, but I just thought that this was really cute and something that you can transition into like the springtime with, you know, not having to wear a jacket over it, you know. I also went ahead and picked up this cute little, I guess it's called a shacket. I was trying to tell that to one of my friends and he was like, what is that? I was like, a shacket. It's a shirt, but it's a jacket. You get the vibe. So this is what this looks like. It definitely looks like something my dad would wear, which, you know, is a vibe. So it's just like a really thick flannel material, which I absolutely love. And you can wear this like with like a really light top underneath and wear this as a jacket. Put on some leggings because this will definitely cover your butt, which I love. And yeah, I just thought that this was such like a cute little thing to have in your closet for those like super cold days where you want to be a little bit more cozy and warm, because this is actually like really soft, guys. It's not like that stiff flannel where like you feel like you can't breathe or you can't move. So I really love this. It's so nice, and you can definitely, like I said, wear it with leggings, throw on some thigh-high boots. Oh my god, and that would be such a cute look. I also picked up this top right here, which I thought was super cute. It's just actually a bodysuit, and it does have the clasp at the bottom in the vajayjay area, which is awesome. So this is just a really nice bodysuit. It's a deep V. I thought it would be super cute with just some jeans and like a nice dangling necklace for dinner, for pictures, whatever. I love this color too. It's like a dusty purple. I don't know if it's coming up on camera as nice as it is in person, but it's a really nice dusty purple color, and I love this fabric because it's like almost like swimsuit material, so it really like sucks you in, and especially if you wear like a faja underneath, you're gonna be looking like a whole snack, my girl. So I love this, especially love that it has the clasp at the bottom so you don't have to get completely naked in the bathroom, because that's not the vibe we're on anymore. 2021, put clasps in the vajayjay, you know, just do it. I don't understand why companies don't. Speaking of clasp in the vajayjay, I went ahead and purchased another bodysuit, which is also super cute. This one has like a little bit of like a corset style, which I was in love with. I went ahead and washed everything just because like COVID, like I don't know where these clothes have been, you know, just wash everything. That's my vibe. So this is what this looks like. It can be worn off the shoulder, and it has like cute little booby cups, so you can wear a bra with this. I would think I would suggest wearing a bra with this, because this isn't the type of fabric that like holds your boobs in, so you might look a little saggy gaggy, but you know, do whatever floats your boat, like I said. So this has like a little ruffle on the sleeve, which I thought was super cute. This also is a bodysuit, and it does have the clasp at the bottom, which I love. And yeah, it also has a cute little tie in the front, so you can tie like a little cute bow. You could even maybe tie this around your neck, depending upon how long these straps are. Next up, I have this little dress, which I am obsessed with. This is definitely more for like spring and summertime. It's just a black short sleeve kind of ribbed dress. It's like a midi style. It's not super long, but it's not super short. It's like the perfect length for me. Has a little V. I love when V-necks have like this little detail where it has like, I don't know how to describe it, like the little knobs on the end, where it's not just like a straight V, so it has like a little bit more texture to it. I love that so much. I think it's such a cute little dainty look. Pair this with some like gold jewelry, and even this with some gold jewelry, even some like Nike Air Force Ones. I think that would be such a cute little outfit for the spring and summertime. And guys, I'm not crying. I literally just had like the worst coughing attack, so that's why I sound like I'm dying, but I'm not. I picked up these cute pants. I thought that these would be really cute for Valentine's Day, like with just like a cute little top or something. They're like that stretchy kind of like businessy pant material. I thought that they were so cute, and I picked this up from somebody's line on Shein. They just came out with a fashion line. I'm not sure who it is, but I will have all of these products linked down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, they fit really, really nicely. They make the butt look great, which I love, of course. So yeah, so with like a simple top, maybe some like heels and like a cute little bag, and you're set for V-Day, like no matter what you're doing. So I love those pants, and I love like patterned pants. I don't know why, but it's just like such a cute vibe. I love patterned pants. And also, I went ahead and picked up this cute top. It's like a little tube top with these clear sleeves. I think that it's so cute and so dainty and precious. This is a little see-through though, so I would suggest wearing definitely a black a strapless bra with this, but I just thought with some like high-waisted jeans and just like even like thigh-high boots or something like that, I thought that this would be such a cute little top. Oh, I love it. I love polka dots, and I love like this fabric on the sleeves of tops. I think it's so precious. It's just such a cute little look, and it does have like the tightened sleeves at the end, so it does have like a little ruffle. I thought that that was just so cute. I love this top so much. Don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I got it, so that's all that really matters. I have a cardigan like this that is brown, and it has sleeves like this, and I always get so many compliments on it. But this is just like a light like sweatshirt material kind of a top. You can wear something under it to be like a little bit warmer because it is a little thin, but I just love the sleeves. I think it's so cute, and it just adds something cute to like a basic sweatshirt, you know, and just adds a cute little detail. I love the sleeves. I love the little tassel. I think the pattern is such a cute little detail as well. I also went ahead and picked up one pair of boots. I really needed combat boots that were like leather, that didn't have fabric on them, because I have two pairs of combat boots that have fabric on them, and like I couldn't wear them in like the snowy weather or like the rainy weather or anything like that for fear of getting like the fabric dirty. So I did go ahead and just pick up a pair of these leather combat boots. I didn't want to go ahead and purchase like Doc Martens or anything like that, because like I don't wear them enough, I feel, to justify that price. So I did just go ahead and pick these up. They look like pilgrim shoes, one of my friends said. But I love them so much, and you can have like cute little like sweater socks sticking out the top with leggings, with jeans, with any type of pant. I think that these are so cute. They're super comfortable, and I really like them also because they have really good grip on the bottom, and especially here in New York, it has been raining and snowing. Well, it hasn't really even been raining. It literally has just been snowing so much, so I feel like having really good grips on your shoes is super important. I did go ahead and also get a new pair of snow boots, which I absolutely love as well. But these just for like when it's not like actually snowing, and just like the days after it snowed, where, you know, the streets are a little dirty, you know, it might be a little icy outside. I feel like these are the perfect go-to shoe for me right now. And then last up, guys, I had to of course get a sweatsuit, because what kind of haul would this be if I didn't get a sweatsuit? So I did go ahead and pick up this cute little set. I am obsessed with it. It is so comfortable, you guys. I wore it yesterday to go out to run some errands, and I was so cozy, I was so warm, and I was so stylish. It was just like, I don't know what I'm gonna do when spring and summer comes around and I can't wear sweatsuits all the time under my jacket. Like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to wear real clothes? I'm sorry, what? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So this is just a sweatsuit I picked up. It just says honey on the front, and it just is the most cozy, warm sweatshirt that you can imagine. It is like fleece lined on the inside, so you're super warm from the elements outside. The hood is so cozy, and it's the perfect length. It's not like too oversized. It's the perfect oversized look. I love the color with my black like puffer coat over it with this outfit, and then those combat boots. Look, you guys, it was so cozy, so comfy, so warm, and I love like the whole like sweatsuit like going out type of a look, because honestly, like, where are we going? We're in a panty. Like, what are we doing? Why can't I wear my sweatsuit to Walmart and be cute, you know? I just also wanted to show you guys the pants. These are a little big. I did get these in a 1XL. I should have just gotten them in an XL. These are pretty baggy on me, and they don't have a drawstring, which I will tell you guys, these don't have a drawstring, so like you can't tighten them like around your waist. You're kind of stuck with how big they are, which is unfortunate, but like these are like the perfect cozy like in the house watching TV type of pant, and I love them so much. But yeah, so this is the sweatsuit. Like I said, it'll keep you so warm. It is the fleece lined, so if you are in a colder temperature, I would definitely recommend this one because it will actually keep you warm instead of the sweatsuits that are like super thin and just like stylish or whatever. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. Also, make sure to leave me a comment down below with your favorite stores. Like I said earlier, I would love to find somewhere new to shop. If you have like a small business or something like that, I would love to check you out. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you are doing well and staying safe. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Stay blessed. Mwah. Bye.